Hi to everyone guys in our new video. I'm in trading from 2012, so it's almost 10 years. And every time during all those years, I'm receiving questions regarding my prediction, what I think about that instruments, crypto, forex, and where it will go. Nowadays, it's very popular. So in the YouTube, you can find a lot of the gurus, experts, and trying to predict the price. But real trader that really trading, he will tell you the truth that it's impossible to predict the price. And the basic things with the technical analysis, what does it mean? When we're working with the charts, we're making some analysis based on the past, and we know what we will do in the next situation, but we are reacting on situation, on the movements of the price that will happen in the future. So we can't tell you exactly, but we have decisions what we need to do. So in today's video, I want to teach you one strategy that will give you a chance to have clearly understanding about the market, how it's moving, how you can generate profit. System will really give you a chance to make consistent profit every year. I will show you different varieties, entry points, so you need to be ready. This video will be longer than usual, but it will give you a chance to understand the market more. First of all, highly recommend you to open also chart in front of you, because if you will repeat everything step by step like I will do, it will help you to understand how the things is going on and how it's working, by the way. So I will do everything in the trading terminal calling MT4, MetaTrader 4. It doesn't matter where you are trading. One thing you need to open chart in front of you, because it will really help you to understand more this type of the strategy. Because strategy in some cases it's easy, but maybe for some of you who are not trading for a long period of time, or maybe you are only started this thing, it might be slightly difficult. But come on, if you want to be profitable in this area, of course you need to learn. It will be like short trading course, because in the internet you can find a lot of the videos like that they are costing something, they are charging money. I decided to create everything for you for free, but because of that, don't forget to share this video with all your friends, to all your pages in social media, and let's start our work. When I started only to go deeper into the world of trading, there was very popular strategy calling waves of Elliott. There was a lot of the books, all people were interested in that, all people were trying to identify what exactly wave and the market right now. What is the point of this strategy? There was the guy Elliott, and he has some problems with his health, and he said at his home he was highly passionate into the market, and he make analysis for one of the American indexes for almost 23 years, and he produced some book, he made some book, and where he was trying to explain there that all markets moves in that type of the movement. So there is some trending waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 corrections, 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, he didn't make money on his own experience, so he was only analytic, like mostly what I was telling you. But in the next generation, and people who were highly interested in those strategy, they open a lot of the ways how to deal with this strategy. I want to show you a little bit easier way how to identify the ways and how to make money based on this strategy by using only 3 waves. It's calling A, B, C. So the name of our strategy will be A, B, C. First of all, what we need to do that is very important for us, it's identify where is this movement A. So this is very important point, how to identify in the right way where is this wave A. So let us open the chart, and for helping us we will use 2 indicators. So right now I open chart of Ethereum, and time frame it's H1. And what we will do right now, we will put 2 indicators, 2 moving averages, because moving averages will allow us really to understand and to identify what is going on with the market. I will use moving average period 24, 124, because we are using 1 hour time frame, and in every day it's 24 hours. Also, we will have 2 moving average. One of them is faster, another one will be slower. What we will do, 24 multiply 7, because there are 7 days per week, and we will have 168. So one more time, we have two moving averages. One of them is 24 and the second one 168. This is what we need for the starting. How to start making our analysis. No need to watch in the end of the chart, you know, because it will not give us like clearly understanding what is going on. We need to move back and to find like 2 points. One of them is the highest point in some like area. We can take like a few days, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, and we need to start either from the highest point like here even, or we can go like down and to find the lowest point. I want to go a little bit more down, you know, because I want to find you the lowest point and step by step showing you how we can analyze our chart. Yes, we can see that market Ethereum was falling down for a period of time, and we found the lowest point, and from this point we will start our analysis. How we will identify that we have some impulse calling A? So first of all, we need to find this crossing. So we need to take the lowest point of the chart that we already found, and we need to move like forward, and then we can see, yes, here. So here in that situation happened crossing. So our 24 moving average cross our 164 from down and going up. Let us write the rule number one. Rule number one, it's crossing. We have our slow moving average and our fast needs to cross it in that point. After that, we need to put this mark here. We can see that here was crossing and the price, and I recommend also to put your mark here. It was the lowest point. You see, in this period we need to find where was the lowest point and where was the top of the price, and between them, you see, here is the top point, it's clear, here is the lowest point, and between of them we need to put our lines calling Fibonacci. And guys, it's very important for the Fibonacci at the top. It must be 100. So how it's working? Yes, so let me draw you some price. Imagine the price was falling down, then we got A, and then the price is going down a little bit. So we need to put Fibonacci here. We have this cross. Imagine that cross happened in that point of the time. Here, yeah, it was the cross, and from that point we need to draw our Fibonacci levels, and in that point must be 100. Sorry guys for my bad artist skills, but anyway, we are working on the trading. I'm not teaching you art, so I think it's more than enough to understand from your side. But what happened next? If the price is going down, this is the first rule. This is the crossing, and to finding like the second, the highest point and the lowest point. The third point, we need to wait for the correction. So why we are using Fibo? Because we need to wait when the price will go down and will make for us correction up to Fibonacci point 61.8. But if the price from that point start going up, we are moving our Fibonacci to the highest point. It was the highest point. Yes, so all this movement for us, it will be wave A. You see, we found this wave A, and after that we are not doing any action. We are waiting for the correction. Correction must be to the level of Fibo 61.8, like happened here. You see, it was wave number B. After that, when we found this correction, like happened here approximately, yes, we put this out. We know that we have our level 61.8, and when the price touch this correction level of 61.8, we already can put the order to open position at the buy. So in that point we already can put our order to wait when it will cross a little bit higher than the maximum point like this. when it will cross this level, we will have the operation calling buy. Yeah, let us check what is going on next. Yes, the price was going down in some range. We are not reacting. You see, in that point, there was a lot of the crossing in different direction, but we are not reacting on that. What we did, yes, we have A, B, and we are waiting for formation C. And it's happened here, you see? So for us, we found this formation A, B, C, and we open position in that price. Guys, it's very, very important to wait for all these formation A, B, C, where to put stop loss and the take profits. And here I can give you a few advices. If we are talking about crypto, okay, I highly recommend you an example. Yes, you can open position with $100, and I recommend you to divide your profits into the 3 parts. So in the Fibonacci, there are 3 levels: 168, 261 and 323. I know that you tell, wow, it's huge profit, how we can catch this one? But this is the crypto, and never knows how much it will go in our direction. So yes, I really recommend to put these 3 orders. Regarding the stop loss, there are 2 rules. One of them, like, first of all, we need to put the stop loss a little bit lower. Let me paint here. You see, we have A, B, C. So our stop loss will be exactly in the same place. And from this level of Fib of 100, we will put the 3 levels of the take profit. In our situation, what happened? Yes, we had the stop loss here, and we have the 3 take profits. Let me put it red, like a stop loss. Yeah, cool. So what happened next? We are watching price, it's going up, up, up. Okay, great. We took our first take profit. Then we are waiting. Opa, and we have right now very interesting situation, because what we can see, we can analyze, and I can tell exactly that right now it trend going up, but we can see the cross. And what does it mean, cross, for us? It's potential wave A. So what we need to do, where is our maximum point? Let us do a little bit bigger chart. Let us move forward, because we need to analyze also this situation in the proper way. Yeah, we have the cross. This is the maximum. As I told you one more time, we are putting here frame, and we are putting here frame, because it was the minimum point. Where was the cross? The minimum point. And in that point, we need to draw again our Fibonacci levels, because we are waiting for the correction of 61.8. Let me take it back, because you might think there is too much different points. Yes, it make for us correction. We can put easily our order here, you know, but in some scenarios, and in the YouTube, I found a lot of the video like how guys they are working. They are trying to trade counter trend. Why counter trend? Because right now what we have, yes, we have trend is going up. So no need to run. Let me do this like that, ABC. So no need to run in that current situation. No need to run to open position immediately, because there is some few like systems, trend, counter trend that we are trying to trade in, like against trend, that it's flattening. Flat and range. Flat and range is the most difficult like trading strategies for the beginners, because there are different volatility, and if you don't know how to exactly work with that type of the market, you can lose a lot of your money. Counter trend, still, like there are a lot of the rules, and I found the videos in the YouTube what they are suggesting. Some trending line they are drawing, yes, they are drawing some like trending line when they can see, yeah guys, it's crossing, then they are waiting for slightly correction, and they telling to their subscribers, you need to open your sell immediately, because price 100% will go down. But it's not like that, and let me show you in this current example. Price break the highest point of the previous trend up, you know. So this situation calling like not successful wave A, because it's showing for us that wave A, potential wave to open position sell. It's make our B, but it not make for us the confirmation C, and it's again going up and break this highest level. But what type of the things did situation giving to us? We can easily move our stop loss. If you remember, our stop loss was in that point, and right now we can easily take our stop loss and move to that level. You see, so right now our stop loss already in plus. This is the benefit of that type of the system. Let me draw again like our Fibonacci level, and what is going on. We took here our first take profit, then it went to our second take profit. In that situation was also not successful wave A, so we again move our stop loss here, and finally in that point it's like close our position in the stop loss, but we close like 2 take profits from our 3 positions that we opened, 3 take profits, and 1 position we closed by stop loss, but our stop loss was in plus. So we took all these movement, and imagine if this movement will go up more, of course we can take this profit. What we had right now, the same story. I can see exactly without even Fibonacci. A, let us change the color because it's 100% was the situation to going down. A, B, and it was C. We open position in this situation. So I want to tell you one more thing. Like, first of all, it's crossing. The second point, we need to find this top and lowest point. To use Fibonacci. Fibonacci we're using for the stop loss. Don't forget, we're putting the stop loss in the lowest point if we are talking about buy, and the highest point if we are talking about sell. A, B, C. Very important to this strategy to wait for this confirmation wave C, because it's like C will be only in that situation when the price will cross the lowest point of the previous wave A. A, B, C. Guys, I hope you understand some points. This is like our first lesson. If you will be interested, I need to understand what type of the feedback I will get from this type of the lesson. Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested to continue this type of the videos, I will create for you one more video, or you can write some questions about that strategy, and I will make the second lesson about this current strategy. So thank you guys for the watching. Don't forget to repeat everything on your own trading terminals, on your platforms where you are trading, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So see you guys in our next video.